Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what pops out today. Gaslighting you. I have been lying to you and gaslighting you. You weren't crazy. You were right. I just wasn't strong enough to admit it. I'm leaving. I'm ready to leave a situation or mindset that has not served me and hindered my growth. Don't miss an ideal creative opportunity because it looks like work. Good work is happiness. And what else do we need to hear today? I am at peace. I hope you are too. Divine peace and harmony surround me and dwell in me. I feel tolerance, compassion, and love for all people, myself included. Dissolve, release identity, and merge with Source. So pretty, so pretty. And the last card for today before we open our quote box. Create your own gratitude board. When's the last time you made a creative board? Create a vision board. Dedicate to all the things you are grateful for. Gather photos of people, places, objects, and memories that you love. Put them on a display board or a desktop collage on your computer. Looking at your gratitude board daily is an instant mood booster. Yes, yes. Alrighty, which box has our quotes today? Let's try this one. I am learning how to have healthy boundaries in my life. I walk away from any situation, person, or place that brings me down. I feel safe and I willingly let my guard down. The energy of your inner warrior is ready to step forward to face any challenges or blockages in life. Be willing to accept help and be fearless. Take a moment to think things through. Think as well as feel the right direction, get clarity, and become focused before stepping forth. I am proud of myself. I show up for myself, and I speak my truth. My no is just as important as my yes. I respect my boundaries, and I act accordingly. And the last one today. I matter. My needs matter. My desires and emotions matter. I give myself what I need in order to feel safe, seen, or heard. Oh, one more. This is the time to express yourself. Don't hold back. Choose life on your terms. Don't be trapped by the expectations of others. All right, Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos. Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards and see what we get today. Take in what resonates and leave out the rest. Scattered energy. You have too much on your plate and have lost your focus. This is causing you to feel exhausted and overwhelmed. Prioritize your well-being and create a new path or plan. And what messages do we need from our frog friends today? Let's see. Today is filled with infinite potential and possibility. If you just take a second to open your eyes and see. Think of a song that brings you joy. Sound is a powerful way to connect with your emotional well-being. Hit play, turn up the volume and allow your body to move. Lean into the precious joy that music brings you. Allow the joyful sensations to move through every cell in your body. Clothing. Let your outer express your inner. And colors bring energy. Have you ever looked up what different colors bring? Alrighty, let's open up our quote box. Maybe you're stuck because you take mistakes as proof that you're not good enough. I hope not. When a person can't find a deep sense of meaning, they distract themselves with pleasure. Has that been true in your life? Accept yourself for the awkward mess that you are. Don't worry, I'm awkward too. Be where your feet are. Your mind may wander. Bring it back to where your feet are. And the last one today. Your dreams wouldn't be placed in your heart if they weren't meant for you. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos. Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear and see today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. Gratitude begins with self-talk. If your inner voice is focused on negative, flip the script. How can you put a positive spin on a moment that just sucks? When the negative self-talk starts, ask yourself, what is the positive in this? What can I learn from this? What can I be grateful for about this? Self-expression. I confidently and genuinely express myself, free from fear of judgment. I share my thoughts and emotions openly and honestly. I enjoy being heard and understood and connecting with others on a genuine level. Tangible change can start from looking within. It might sound scary, but it's not so bad. You'll be amazed what you find when you start unburying yourself. "25. Animals honor the animal kingdom." What animals have you been seeing a lot lately? Maybe do a search on that and see what it brings up for you. And the last card for today before we go to one of our box of quotes. I will make sure that laughter is a priority in my life. That is a good reminder for me. If not, all these are probably reminders for me. Alrighty. You'll know the things that feed your soul because you'll feel good after doing them. Yes, you will. Focused only on what you can control. The highest purpose of your life is to be yourself to the best of your ability and live each moment as fully as possible. Bashar. What if everything is fallen apart to come together in a way you can't imagine or guess? Be something no one can measure. Be the thing that won't fit. Be the voice that disrupts the pattern. Be the story that won't be easily summarized. Be the question that doesn't give easy answers. And the last one today. Trust that rejection is always redirection to something bigger and better. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.